Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change font on Android. So to start, you may want to check out if your device allows for a built-in font change feature. So go into your device's settings. Here find and enter the display category, or in my particular case display and touch. And here look for the font or display size and text option, or just text size and font sometimes it is called. So my Google Pixel 8 does not have this option, unfortunately. So you may want to look into the wallpapers and style section and just some other customization options that your particular device offers, since different phones obviously offer different customization preferences. Now, if you won't find anything natively, your next best bet is to open Google Play Store and find the font changing app, or for example this app that allows you to not change the system font but type in different fonts. So how this particular app works, once again, it does not necessarily have to be strictly this one. You can go with any other application if you'd like. So let's open this app. Then I'll just go ahead and close all the windows and messages that are going to pop up at the start. So here they go. Now select what font you would like to save and use. Like I'll go with double stroke, for example. Press save. I guess. And now whenever or wherever you'll type in, just open the context menu by pressing and holding, then open additional, or actually, yeah, select what text you would like to change the font of. Then go into additional options inside the context menu and choose letter fonts. Here select what font you would like to change this text to, and here you have it. So that's how you generally do the font changing stuff on an Android. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.